Welcome to the future, Top 10 Life Hacks of 2025. Hey everyone, it's Marquez here. Today we're diving into the Top 10 Life Hacks of 2025 that you absolutely need to know. Let's get started. Seamless living, smart homes that actually think. All right, let's kick things off with smart homes. Imagine this. Your alarm goes off, and as you slowly come to life, your smart blinds automatically raise, letting in the perfect amount of sunlight. Your coffee machine, already prepped with your favorite beans and the ideal water temperature, starts brewing your morning pick-me-up. Meanwhile, the bathroom mirror displays the day's weather forecast and your personalized schedule, all while you're brushing your teeth. This isn't about individual devices working in isolation anymore. It's about creating a connected ecosystem where your home anticipates your needs and seamlessly adapts to your routine. Intuitive apps and voice commands make it easier than ever to customize your smart home experience without needing a degree in computer science. We're talking about reclaiming those precious minutes in the morning and starting your day with a little less chaos, a little more control. That's the power of a truly smart home. Your life optimized the rise of AI personal assistants. Next up, we're talking about AI personal assistants. Now, you've probably already got Siri or Google Assistant on your phone, but trust me, things have gotten a whole lot more advanced. Imagine an AI that learns your preferences so well, it can actually predict your needs. Need to book a flight? Your AI assistant already knows your preferred airlines, travel dates, and even suggests destinations based on your recently searched locations. These AI assistants can actually analyze your data to help you make smarter decisions. Struggling to stick to your budget? Your AI can analyze your spending habits and suggest personalized saving strategies. The future of AI personal assistants is about building a true partnership, a digital companion that understands your needs and helps you navigate the complexities of daily life with ease and efficiency. The future of wellness health monitoring wearables. All right, let's talk about health and fitness. We've come a long way from basic step trackers. The latest wearables are like having a personal health coach right on your wrist. They can now track your heart rate, sleep patterns, blood oxygen levels, and even provide insights into your stress levels. These wearables don't just collect data, they analyze it. They can provide you with personalized recommendations to improve your sleep quality, optimize your workouts, and even detect potential health issues before they become serious. These wearables are all about proactive healthcare, providing you with the insights you need to make informed decisions about your well-being. Now, more than ever, it's important to be mindful of our environmental impact. And thankfully, there are some seriously cool gadgets out there designed to help us live more sustainably. First up, we have reusable smart water bottles that not only track your water intake, but also remind you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Some even purify water on the go, reducing the need for single-use plastic bottles. And for those of us who love to stay caffeinated, there are now portable, reusable coffee makers that use innovative brewing methods to deliver a delicious cup of joe without the waste of disposable pods or filters. We're also seeing advancements in home energy management systems. Imagine smart thermostats that learn your temperature preferences and automatically adjust to save energy while you're away or asleep. It's about integrating sustainability into our daily routines without sacrificing convenience or style. Let's face it, remote work is here to stay. But let's be real, those endless video calls and the feeling of isolation can get old fast. That's where virtual reality workspaces come in. Imagine slipping on a VR headset and being transported to a virtual office, complete with your own personalized desk, stunning views, and the ability to collaborate with colleagues in a shared virtual space. These VR workspaces are designed to enhance productivity and creativity. Imagine brainstorming ideas on a virtual whiteboard that everyone can interact with, or giving presentations in a virtual auditorium that feels just as immersive as a real-life conference room. VR workspaces can be customized to fit your individual work style. VR workspaces are all about breaking down the barriers of physical location and creating a more engaging and productive remote work experience. Grocery shopping. It's one of those necessary evils that we all have to deal with. But what if I told you that in 2025 it could be completely automated? We're talking about services that take the hassle out of grocery shopping by doing it all for you. Imagine this: you open an app, your virtual shopping list is already populated with your most frequently purchased items. Need to add something new? Just use voice commands or scan a barcode. These services use your purchase history and preferences to predict what you need and when you need it. Running low on milk? No problem, your automated grocery service will automatically add it to your next order. Automated grocery shopping is all about convenience and efficiency. The future of fashion smart clothing that adapts to you. Get ready for a wardrobe upgrade because smart clothing is about to change the fashion game. We're talking about clothing that can actually sense and respond to your body and the environment around you. Imagine a shirt that can adjust its breathability based on your body temperature, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter the weather. Or how about workout gear that can track your performance metrics and provide real-time feedback on your form? Smart clothing can also be stylish and expressive. Imagine clothing that can change colors or patterns on demand, allowing you to personalize your look with the tap of a button. Smart clothing is all about seamlessly integrating technology into our everyday lives, enhancing our comfort, performance, and style in ways we never thought possible. Breaking down language barriers, the power of instant translation. Imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to communication. Thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, real-time language translation is becoming a reality. We're talking about devices that can instantly translate spoken and written language, allowing you to communicate effortlessly with people from all over the world. Imagine traveling to a foreign country and being able to have a natural conversation with locals, even if you don't speak a word of their language. Instant translation technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and connect with each other. With instant translation technology, the possibilities for communication and understanding are limitless. Learning personalized platforms that adapt to your pace. Education is evolving, and personalized learning platforms are leading the way. These platforms use artificial intelligence to tailor the learning experience to your individual needs, skills, and interests. Imagine a learning platform that assesses your strengths and weaknesses and creates a customized learning path just for you. It would identify the concepts you're struggling with and provide you with additional support and practice, while also challenging you to explore new areas of interest. Personalized learning platforms also provide you with personalized feedback and support. With personalized learning platforms, education becomes more engaging, effective, and accessible than ever before. Powering up sustainably. Energy solutions for a greener future. As we become increasingly aware of our environmental impact, the demand for sustainable energy solutions is on the rise. And thankfully, there are some exciting innovations in this space that are making it easier than ever to power our homes and lives in an eco-friendly way. One of the most promising developments is in home solar technology. We're talking about solar panels that are more efficient, affordable, and easier to install than ever before. Imagine a future where rooftops are adorned with sleek solar panels, harnessing the power of the sun to generate clean, renewable energy for our homes. We're also seeing advancements in wind energy, geothermal energy, and energy storage solutions that allow us to capture and store energy from renewable sources. It's about making responsible choices today to ensure a brighter, more sustainable future for generations to come. Outro, thanks for watching. If you found these life hacks helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. Let me know in the comments which life hack you're most excited about and why. Is it the seamless smart homes, the personalized learning, or maybe the chance to ditch grocery shopping forever? Until next time, keep exploring the future of tech.